What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So we're going to do our entry video into the 48-hour group build hosted by Craig over at nysmodeling. I had not joined this group build in 2 years because the last 2 years have been crazy for me, but I think this weekend it's kind of crazy still, but I think we should still be able to fit this build in. So let's go ahead and show you what we're going to be doing. We chose the AMT 1963 Chevy Nova 2 sedan wagon. This is actually a really cool kit. It's actually pretty simplified, and also this kit has some features which is very neat. This kit offers, or doesn't offer an engine, but it offers the hood is molded separate, and also it has engine bay detail. And for the engine plug, it's molded separate from the chassis as well, so you can option to put engine in here, which is really cool. So we got a little sticky note on here for your 8-hour build. We can take that off now because it's coming tomorrow, which is very cool. Tomorrow night, Friday night, 8 p.m. your time, and it goes till Sunday, 8 p.m. your time. So that's 48 hours. We did open it because I had to do some measuring on here because we are going to be doing some 3D printed parts. The body was not in the bag, but the body is really nice in this kit. This is actually really thick. This body actually has some good weight to it. It's pretty cool. And there it is. There's the engine bay detail, which is very neat. So we got all that. But yeah, the body really nice. All these stuff are still sealed in the bag. So there's a hood and your chassis and stuff, and then here's your engine plug right there, which is really cool. That's super cool. And chrome parts, you know, very basic. Clear parts, molded one piece. You get your metal axle and your tail lights, all that fun stuff. What the heck is that? Is that a phone? I just noticed that. That's weird. Then you get your decals and your tires in there. Decals or the instructions are, it's literally just one little sheet. Look at this. The interior is literally 4 pieces, and then you just snap it on, and then your chassis is a couple pieces with it there and there, and then you're done. So this is literally a beginner's kit. You can really knock this out in like 24 hours, to be honest. But since we can knock this out in 24 hours, we gotta make it last for 48 hours. So what I've done is we got some 3D printed parts, so we can put in the engine in this car. So I went ahead and we found the correct N.Y.S 6 engine for it. It's very cool. Chevy N.Y.S 6. This is really cool. So it's multi-piece. I have 40-hour build. So really cool. And we got our transmissions in there. Transmissions are different sizes, so I gotta make sure I choose which one it fits into the chassis and stuff. But there's our straight 6 N.Y.S 6 engine there, so that's very cool. We are going to change up the wheels and tires a little bit, so we got these as well. These are Chevrolet wheels. These are actually meant for like custom pickups, like lowered slammed pickups, because these are initially 21-inch wheels, so we shrunk them down to, where are these? I think these are like, I want to say 18-inch wheels. I want to say 18 or 17-inch wheels now, so they can fit on the body nicely. So those are going to look really, really cool. And we got a couple of other add-ons here. We did get a roof rack, so we sized this up and we got a roof rack for it. And check this out. I don't know how I did this perfectly, but I got it first try. The roof rack is like, it's meant for this kit. Look at that. It lines up so perfect on both sides. Just amazing. So we're gonna put a roof rack on here. I think this looks so cool. And with that roof rack, we're gonna put some, oh, we got some luggage. So we're gonna put some luggage. We got a couple of those long ones. We got some really skinny ones. We got a couple of book bags we'll probably put in the interior. So we got a couple of those. And then we got some pretty big fat boys over here. And we're just gonna put them up there, put it inside like the trunk. And like, this is an older couple car, and the guy, you know, he was big into restoring cars, or restoring cars. There we go, restoring cars, and he restored his wagon. and we might as well put in a, you know, step on a surfboard on the top. I mean, we'll just put this like on the side or something, and then of course put the luggage on the other side and put luggage on the interior. So we're gonna really do some crazy stuff with this because it's such a simple kit. I mean, we might as well spice up a little bit. So we're gonna see if we can do that engine, get that engine in there. I did have to make a new battery for it because this kit does not come with a battery or a radiator, so I had to do a radiator as well in battery. So we got all that covered, and the color wasn't really sure, but I found these at my hobby shop. We're gonna go with a Tamiya lacquer color, lacquer series. This is their metallic orange. So I think we're gonna do this for the main body color. I think this is really nice. Look at that. That's such a beautiful color. And it's like not too dark, but it's dark enough where it looks nice. And for the wheels, I think we're just gonna go with a nice light brown. I think this will look really good for the wheels, like a nice wheel contrast, because these wheels look really good in like brown or a tan color. You know, these wheels are not really meant to be like black because they're solid. Black will just, you know, look so faded in and stuff. So we're gonna do these in the nice brown, and in the interior, I'm not exactly sure about the interior color. We might do it in like a dark, like a really dark red, or who knows, maybe we could do it in this brown as well to match the wheels. But we'll see. But that's it for this build or this entry. We're gonna go ahead and get started onto it. We're gonna get started, and then maybe we'll do a first update Friday night, and then of course we're gonna do an update on Saturday, and then hopefully Sunday probably do another update in the morning, and then hopefully Saturday night, hopefully we'll get this finished up and be done in 48 hours, hopefully. So fingers crossed we can do this in 48 hours. But like I said, it's a crazy weekend because I'm going to a model show this weekend. I think we're going to a model show. I'm not exactly sure yet, but then in Saturday morning I have my Builders Club meeting at my hobby shop. So yeah, it's gonna be a crazy weekend, but hopefully we should have enough time to get working on this and get cracking on it, and hopefully get it finished. But alright guys, I hope you guys will be following along. I'm gonna be watching a lot of videos out there. I'm gonna have my tablet all charged and ready, and on my bench side by side. So when videos post up, I'm gonna start watching them and all that good stuff. And Facebook group, let's be active as well. So I'm gonna have my tablet up and ready and charged and start watching videos all weekend long. So I can't wait to see everybody's builds, and until my next video, we'll catch you guys next time.